Let's learn some shoulder rehab exercises to improve shoulder mobility, scapular control, and upper limb coordination. These exercises are the early phase strengthening exercises and can be done after any conditions like frozen shoulder, impingement syndrome, etc. Let's dive into a game changer drill. So the first exercise, we have called it as the warrior reach flow. In this exercise, overhead reach is attempted while in the lunge position. Thoracic rotation component plays a crucial role here, and it can be done with or without resistance band depending on the initial strength. Perform this exercise for 8 to 10 reps and 2 sets and perform it on both sides. The next exercise is called the crawl press down. In this exercise, we are doing resisted scapular depression in quadruped position. This scapular depression is important to fix scapular tilting or tipping, which happens due to muscle and joint imbalances. Perform this exercise for 8 to 10 repetitions and 2 sets. The next exercise is called the Seratus push in quadruped. In this, bring both the scapulas together and then draw away both. This is replicating the retraction and protraction movement in weight bearing. So this will be helpful in training the scapular stabilizers. You can also perform this exercise with weight or resistance. The next one is called the crawl clock exercise. This is performed in all fours position and a loop band can be used. Arm movements in every direction helps in gaining multi-directional activation and stability. These all exercises are in all fours because they have to be either closed or modified kinematic exercises, which gives best results in early strengthening. The same exercise can also be done in standing against a wall, and this will be a progression of the exercise because here anti-gravity muscles will also be action. The next one is called the mobility orbit exercise. In this, shoulder semicircles are performed while arms are resisted by a closed loop resistance band. Now it is important here that this is an open kinematic chain exercise and should be performed only when stability is gained and it is pain-free to perform it. So try these mobility drills and let us know the results in your patients. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.